Today we are going to make sourdough, but like industrial quantities, so we can make 25 kilos of dough tomorrow, and we bake like 30 breads on Tuesday. So if you are in Barcelona, you are lucky. How to do it? Well, I have my sourdough here. I will put 90% sourdough concentrate that I have here in this bigger jar. Okay, don't. Then you leave 10% in a jar. So we will add, when we finish, more flour and water. So microbes stay healthy and strong for the next week. But we will do it after. I need 2 kilos of sourdough for tomorrow. So I will add 1 liter of water and 1 kilo of flour and just mix it well. Here I have half a kilo, which I will add, and then I will add this. And then 1 liter of water and just mix well and keep adding water. The mixture should be quite dense. The idea is to put small quantity of microbes and give them a lot of food so they can reproduce and build healthy colonies there. This is how nature works.
Does anyone else talk about bread in the way that you do, colonies, and is this normal for this style of bread making?
For this style, it is. This is like organic, natural style of bread making, like it was done in ancient Egypt 5,000 years ago. It's the same process. It's like inviting the healthy microbes that are all over in the air, on us, on the table, in the flour, to come to live in our sourdough.
That sounds dirty. It sounds like bugs.
Well, it is. It's not dirty, but there are microscopic bugs. And we are microscopic bugs. And when we eat fermented foods and sourdough breads, we actually eat for the human ecosystem. We are giving food not just to our human cells, but to microbial cells too that make us human, and we are more microbes than actually humans. Being human means being a microbe. That's the point. So if there are bugs and dirty, we are bugs and we are dirty.
Is that why when we were children we have fond memories, or some of us do, of eating dirt? Has that got anything to do with that? I mean, they say dirt's dirty, but there's something in that
because we don't understand.
Dogs eat it.
Yeah, because we don't understand. We call fertile soil dust, and we really undervalue the microbes, and we fear the dirt, and it's what sustains us, really. So there is more about understanding. Really. And then microbes from healthy soil, they are antidepressants. So of course we played with dirt when we were kids. We knew that intuitively, like kids know. So this is this. This is the sourdough mixture prepared for baking bread. Now that it's mixed, we need to leave our microbes to eat sugars from our mixture and release carbon dioxide. Okay, so now that is mixed, we will leave it for 24 hours to rise, and tomorrow when we come back it will double its size. So I can show you, if now it's until here, yeah? Tomorrow it will be till here, and it will full of bubbles, and those bubbles that sourdough has, look, actually our bread depends on them. You can't get bigger bubbles in your bread than ones that you have in your sourdough. Those bubbles in sourdough actually show us how strong is our sourdough starter and how strong is our microbial culture there. If you find big bubbles in 24 hours, that means you're ready to make bread. And it actually takes 24 hours at room temperature. So tomorrow we'll continue making bread.